Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Luthfi Harindra Putri from 3rd semester PBI A2. Now, I want to tell you about consonant phonemes with place of articulation and manner of articulation. So, the first is P. Voiceless and place of articulation bilabial and manner of articulation plosive. B. Voice, place of articulation bilabial and manner of articulation plosive. The voiceless, place of articulation alveolar and manner of articulation plosive. The voice, place of articulation alveolar, manner of articulation plosive. Voiceless, place of articulation velar, manner of articulation plosive. The next is G. Voice, place of articulation velar and manner of articulation plosive. The next is voiceless and then place of articulation labiodental, manner of articulation fricative. Voice, place of articulation labiodental and manner of articulation fricative. The voiceless, place of articulation dental and manner of articulation fricative. The next is voice, place of articulation dental and manner of articulation fricative. The next is voice, place of articulation alveolar and manner of articulation fricative. The next is Z. Voice and manner, place of articulation alveolar and manner of articulation fricative. The next is voiceless, place of articulation post alveolar and manner of articulation fricative. Z. Voice, place of articulation post alveolar and manner of articulation fricative. And then voiceless, place of articulation glottal and manner of articulation fricative. Voiceless, place of articulation post alveolar and manner of articulation fricative. Voice, place of articulation post alveolar and manner of articulation fricative. Place of articulation bilabial and manner of articulation nasal. N. Voice. Place of articulation alveolar and manner of articulation nasal. Ny. Voice. Place of articulation velar and manner of articulation nasal. L. Voice. Place of articulation alveolar and manner of articulation nasal. W. Voice. Place of articulation bilabial and manner of articulation approximant. The next is Voice. Place of articulation post-alveolar and manner of articulation approximant. Y. Voice. Place of articulation palatal and manner of articulation nasal. Okay, thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.